Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So as we discussed yesterday, Nifty has played out kind of similar levels. So here you can see this was the trend line which we were following till last week, right? And after that it gave a breakout. It did spend some time here around 18600, and yesterday or today morning there was a big gap up here, and after that there was up move which did not sustain, and then there was a quick sell off here around 115, right? And after that we did show some recovery, but it was not able to close above this level, right? So that's where I feel there is a bit of a weakness for a couple of days. We might see these levels because there is a gap which we'll try to fill here, this gap. And yeah, but on the upper side the levels are obviously there. This is the first target. So this was the first target yesterday which we achieved quite comfortably, but the next target is around 725 which we discussed yesterday, and the next one is around 780, right? These two are the targets which are yet to be achieved on the upper side. And on the lower side, if the weakness continues in that case, so why I'm saying weakness is on the hourly chart, you can see there is a resistance around 60 level and it is going down again. So we might see some weakness on shorter time frame. But if you see the daily time frame, on this I don't see any weakness as such. So this was a just one day where we closed in red, but I feel that the upward journey will continue, but it will take maybe 1 or 2 days, then it will start the up move. So my target 1 and target 2 are intact. There is no change in that, but just to be prepared on the lower side, what I'm telling is there is a gap to be filled, and once that fills we can continue, or else there is this trend line support as well. So we might see 600 and 500 levels as well on the downside. Let me mark these levels. So the first is, yeah, we can say 600 is the first target on the lower side. The second target is around this trend line, right? So there is this support as well which can act as a, I mean, yeah, so this is the level around 520. So these two are the levels. So you can see there is a crossover here, right? So this could act as a good support and then take a bounce back. So we just need to uh, take couple of days easy, and after that we can, uh, if Nifty breaks out, let's say this level, right, on the upper side, which was today's high around 700, we can again go long, and if Nifty goes below 600, then we can take a short. But again, shorts are for shorter time frame. I'm not recommending any short on Nifty because on a higher time frames I can see there is bullishness. So that's about Nifty. Let's go to Bank Nifty. So even Bank Nifty as well, you can see this was the trend line which we were following from last week. It did give a breakout here today. You can see the levels, and again back to square one, right? So this is where it closed. So levels for tomorrow are, even though you can see that the closing is below trend line, right? So but I feel that there is a strong bullishness because see RSI, it is about to take the support on the hourly time frame, and I feel that it could go above, but let's see what all possibilities are there. So first is we need to take out these levels, then only we can go above this. Otherwise, there is no point in taking positions for long in this. So longs will be activated only after we cross this 44 150, right? And on the lower side, I'll take some buffer because there was a gap up, right? So uh, around 900. Yeah, these are the levels. So 43 900 would be my level, below which I will start taking shots. Otherwise, it is sideways market here because I feel that it will spend some time here in this area, and then only it will continue the journey. Whether it is upside or downside, that we will get to know only if these levels are broken, right? So that's about Bank Nifty on a lower time frame. But let's see on the daily. Daily again, it is super bullish. RSI is above 70, and even weekly. Let's check the weekly levels as well for both. So Bank Nifty this week is been a strong week. You can see the big green candle, and even for Nifty, even though this day was a bit weak, today's day, but I feel that the recovery will come sooner, and our upper targets are still open. So this is on daily time frame. I can see you can see that RSI is above 60. That means there is a strong bullishness, and on weekly as well, it has took the support. See, last week uh, it was making lows, right? But it took the support around 63 64 RSI, and then it actually bounced back. So this is a very key level, I would say. Unless and until we take out 725, I will not be interested in taking long because, as I said, there's a short-term weakness in this. So that's about Nifty and Bank Nifty. I'll try to come up with the video tomorrow again with tomorrow's closing and everything. But till then, thanks a lot for watching, and yeah, good night.